it is now 8:18 in the morning and we've actually woken up before 3 p.m.
And 3 p.m.
And then we're gonna go to Tea's and grab some breakfast ramen and then go to Asakusa, I think.
Which is literally the only reason we're up this early. We wanted that breakfast ramen. It is the best.
This thing here was a Lawson's when we got here, and now since November 1st, it has been dismantled and is now just empty.
It went from being a fully functional store to being gone in like overnight. This is what we literally got up early for. I'm feeling a little sick and under the weather today, but I had to get me my breakfast ramen from Tea's during this trip, and today was the day.
Tauntaun and shoyu ramen. Thank you. You good?
Oh my gosh. That is the stuff. Definitely like so worth it. We didn't even know if it would still be here, this breakfast ramen option. It's good.
Worth coming?
Definitely worth coming. Are you kidding me? How dare you even ask? Like, what? Although I'm really full now.
Yeah. You have all these speakers playing in English. Take care to not hit your head.
Pivotal film. Please wait behind the yellow warning blocks.
Pancake reservations for $3.45 and come back. Had to make a $20 deposit, so these better be good pancakes. Okay, see some temple stuff. Yep. Sick. You must be really sick.
I am. It's just more subtle. I don't think so far.
We then went for vegetarian okonomiyaki.
Putting a plastic bag and that's like it.
Okonomiyaki is a Japanese savory pancake. Usually cooked at your table with lard, this place allows you to substitute with vegetable oil instead. Our server mixed and prepared the pancake on our table and left us to flip it, which we eventually got the hang of. We had a vegetable-filled pancake as well as a mochi one. And when the pancake is done cooking, it is covered with a miso glaze and mayonnaise to taste.
Ready for me your food.
Good.
It's chewy. We just got dade soup, which means it was delicious. Very glad we came for okonomiyaki today.
We then did a little bit of shopping and bought a wooden toy as well as a Japanese fan. Then headed to the Asakusa Cultural Tourist Information Center, which is free to enter.
The door will open.
And offers some great views of Sensoji Temple. As well as Tokyo Skytree. It was then time for our homemade pancake reservation. The reservations were spread out 10 minutes apart so the chef could make each customer's order fresh to perfection.
Delicious pancake souffles, totally worth making reservations ahead of time.
We got the red bean with matcha, which I was a little iffy about, just because it doesn't necessarily sound like the best combo, but then it's Japan, you gotta try it, right? It was red bean with matcha and black sugar, so good. And then Justin had the chocolate banana.
Choco one, amazing. And now we go buy a print from a woodblock print of David Bull. Let's go.
So we just purchased our wood block print from David Bull. He was fantastic to chat with. It was actually really sweet. And we actually changed our mind and picked one with cherry blossoms, and I'm pretty happy about it.
The Asahi building was closed. It's booked up or something like that, so we're gonna head home now and maybe go get some dipping ramen for me. We'll see.
Headed back home for a while, and then I headed out to Shinjuku for some dipping ramen. The lineup was about 45 minutes for this place, and it was very popular. But the place is not that big, so everyone is packed up, lined against the wall, waiting for the next space to free up. The chef has a very particular way of draining the ramen. The ramen costs $10, and make sure you bring cash. The soup served is an incredibly flavorful fish broth. You then take the noodles and dip them into the broth, which comes with an egg and some meat, for one of the best meals I've had in Japan. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. See you guys in the next one.